sounding like this to sounding like this.
Okay, whatever. That's quite impressive. But do you have a library card? I get all my books for free.
Ooh, we getting a car wash. It's a free car wash, bitch. Holy moly, guacamole. Let's go. Free car wash.
Meow.
I try to give ass a real David cut. He's there, wait. Uh-oh, he got it. Hit the gas, hit the gas. Oh, double tap the brake 2 times. Double tap the brake. Now hit the gas.
Oh, I can't do boo. How am I supposed to do that? I have to do 3 impressions the best I can. That's what this minigame is.
Mario.
Mario!
Finish!
They love it! They love it! Oh no, oh no.